Welcome to my YouTube channel Wonderpedia. The Middle Ages, often characterized as a period of darkness and ignorance, harbors a wealth of wonders that have shaped the course of history. Among the most intriguing aspects is the hidden history of the Holy Land, a region with profound religious, cultural, and geopolitical significance. In this exploration, we will delve into the enigmatic wonders of the Middle Ages that have left an indelible mark on the Holy Land. Crusader castles. During the medieval Crusades, spanning from the 11th to the 13th century, European Christians established a series of formidable fortifications in the Holy Land. These Crusader castles were not merely defensive structures but represented a pinnacle in military architecture and engineering. One of the most notable examples is the Cracked Chevaliers, situated in modern-day Syria. Constructed in the 12th century, the Cracked Chevaliers exemplifies the strategic prowess of Crusader castle builders. Its imposing walls, multiple layers of defenses, including moats and drawbridges, and the clever incorporation of architectural elements, such as arrow slits and murder holes, showcase a sophisticated understanding of military tactics. The design aimed to withstand prolonged sieges, allowing the Crusaders to maintain control over key territories in the tumultuous Holy Land. These castles served not only as military strongholds but also as centers of administration and governance. The Dome of the Rock. The Dome of the Rock, an iconic Islamic shrine located on the Temple Mount in Jerusalem, stands as a testament to the architectural and artistic achievements of the early Islamic period. Completed in 691 CE, it holds immense religious significance for Muslims worldwide and is considered a masterpiece of Islamic architecture. The structure's most striking feature is its golden dome, which has become a symbol of Jerusalem. The dome is adorned with intricate geometric patterns and calligraphy, showcasing the Islamic tradition of non-representational art and the meticulous craftsmanship of the period. The building's octagonal shape, a departure from traditional Islamic architecture, adds to its uniqueness. Beyond its aesthetic significance, the Dome of the Rock holds religious importance as the site from which, according to Islamic tradition, the Prophet Muhammad ascended to the heavens during the night journey. Hospitaller medicine. The Knights Hospitaller, originally established as a monastic order to care for sick pilgrims in Jerusalem during the 11th century, evolved into a military order with a dual commitment to warfare and healthcare. This unique combination set them apart during the Crusades and contributed to advancements in medieval medicine. In addition to their martial duties, the Knights Hospitaller established and operated hospitals across the Holy Land. These institutions became centers of medical learning and practice, combining the knowledge of various cultures, including Islamic and Byzantine medical traditions. The order's commitment to medical care extended beyond Christians to include individuals of all faiths, fostering a spirit of cooperation and knowledge exchange. The hospitals run by the Knights Hospitaller were not only places of healing, but also centers for the study and preservation of medical knowledge. Islamic Golden Age. While the Islamic Golden Age is often associated with the earlier Abbasid Caliphate, its intellectual and cultural achievements extended into the medieval period, particularly in regions like the Holy Land. During this time, scholars in the Islamic world made significant contributions to various fields, including science, medicine, philosophy, and literature. In the Holy Land, centers of learning, such as Damascus and Jerusalem, became hubs for intellectual exchange. Scholars engaged in the translation of classical Greek and Roman texts, preserving and expanding upon the knowledge of ancient civilizations. The House of Wisdom in Baghdad, although located outside the Holy Land, played a central role in this intellectual flourishing, influencing scholars in the broader Islamic world. Advancements in astronomy, mathematics, medicine, and philosophy during the Islamic Golden Age had a lasting impact on the development of knowledge in the Holy Land and beyond. Jerusalem's Christian Quarter. Despite the challenges and conflicts of the medieval period, Jerusalem's Christian Quarter became a center for religious scholarship, theological debate, and cultural exchange. Pilgrims and scholars from Europe, Asia, and Africa converged in this diverse and cosmopolitan city, fostering an environment conducive to intellectual pursuits. The Christian Quarter, situated within the walls of the Old City of Jerusalem, housed numerous churches, monasteries, and educational institutions. The Church of the Holy Sepulchre, a focal point for Christian pilgrimage, became a symbol of the city's religious and cultural significance. Within this quarter, scholars engaged in theological discourse, translating and interpreting religious texts, contributing to the rich tapestry of medieval Christian thought. The presence of various Christian denominations, including Eastern Orthodox, Roman Catholic, and Oriental Orthodox, added to the diversity of perspectives within Jerusalem's Christian quarter. Despite occasional tensions, this diversity also led to the preservation and dissemination of a wide range of theological ideas and practices. Mamluk architecture. The Mamluks, a military caste that rose to power in the Islamic world during the medieval period, left a lasting architectural legacy in the Holy Land. The Mamluk Sultanate, which controlled the region from the 13th to the 16th century, contributed to the development of distinctive architectural styles, blending elements of Islamic, Persian, and Byzantine traditions. One notable example of Mamluk architecture is the Madrasa of Sultan Hassan in Cairo, Egypt. Constructed in the 14th century, this madrasa, educational institution, exemplifies the Mamluks' emphasis on grandeur and intricate design. The madrasa served as both a place of learning and a testament to the Mamluks' patronage of the arts and sciences. In the Holy Land, Mamluk architecture is evident in structures such as the Al-Ashrafiyya Mosque in Jerusalem. Characterized by the use of decorative elements like geometric patterns, calligraphy, and pointed arches, Mamluk architecture reflects the cultural and artistic syncretism of the region during this period. Trade routes. The Holy Land, strategically located at the crossroads of Europe, Asia, and Africa, served as a vital hub for trade during the medieval period. The network of trade routes that crisscrossed the region facilitated the exchange of goods, ideas, and cultures, contributing to the economic and cultural vibrancy of the Holy Land. Cities like Acre, located on the Mediterranean coast, became bustling commercial centers where merchants from different continents converged. The Silk Road, connecting the East and West, passed through the Holy Land, bringing with it a wealth of exotic goods and diverse cultural influences. The economic prosperity generated by trade contributed to the development of urban centers and the flourishing of artistic and intellectual pursuits. The trade routes also played a significant role in the transmission of knowledge. The Church of the Holy Sepulchre. The Church of the Holy Sepulchre in Jerusalem stands as one of the holiest sites in Christianity and a key architectural marvel of the Middle Ages. Traditionally believed to encompass the locations of the crucifixion, burial, and resurrection of Jesus Christ, the church has been a focal point of pilgrimage and religious devotion for over a millennium. Originally built in the 4th century by the Roman Emperor Constantine, the Church of the Holy Sepulchre has undergone numerous renovations and expansions over the centuries. The Byzantine, Crusader, and later renovations have left an architectural tapestry that reflects the evolving religious and cultural dynamics of the Holy Land. The church's interior features various chapels, each belonging to different Christian denominations, including the Greek Orthodox, Roman Catholic, and Armenian Apostolic churches. Mosaic art. Mosaic art flourished in the Holy Land during the Middle Ages, adorning the interiors of churches, mosques, and palaces with intricate designs and vibrant colors. Mosaics were a popular form of artistic expression, and the craftsmanship displayed in these works reflected the cultural and religious diversity of the region. In churches such as the Church of the Nativity in Bethlehem and the Basilica of the Transfiguration on Mount Tabor, Byzantine-style mosaics depicted scenes from the Bible with meticulous detail. Islamic architecture, such as the Umayyad Mosque in Damascus, also featured elaborate mosaic designs, showcasing the synthesis of artistic traditions in the Holy Land. Mosaic artists employed a wide range of materials, including colored glass, stone, and ceramics, to create intricate patterns and narrative scenes. The durability of mosaic art allowed it to withstand the test of time, providing a glimpse into the artistic achievements of the medieval period. Agricultural innovations. The challenging environmental conditions of the Holy Land, characterized by arid landscapes and scarce water resources, prompted the development of innovative agricultural techniques during the Middle Ages. Communities in the region devised methods to cultivate the land and sustain their populations in the face of climatic challenges. One notable agricultural innovation was the construction of terraced fields on hillsides. By creating step platforms, farmers could optimize water usage and prevent soil erosion. These terraced fields, found in regions like the Judean hills, allowed for the cultivation of crops such as olives, grapes, and grains in areas where traditional farming methods would have been less effective. Irrigation systems played a crucial role in maximizing the productivity of arable land. Ancient aqueducts, wells, and cisterns were utilized to capture and distribute water for agricultural purposes. These engineering feats enabled communities to harness the limited water resources available in the region. Dive deeper into the wonders of the world with Wonderpedia. Subscribe for a front row seat to curiosity, where knowledge meets excitement.